it's hanging off on this side.
That's alright. There's enough tire on there.
What was with you lining it up? Dude, that's so sketch. Should we just try to redo it on that one? Look at that, man. That's dangerous.
I don't think it's that bad.
Yo, you're going under then. I thought you were lining this up, man.
Dude, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's fine.
You gotta be the densest fuck, man. Alright. We're doing some maintenances to the 180. Gonna drain the oils. Put the fresh oils in. Gonna do the fuel filter. Oil filter as well, we're doing the oil change. And I have new spark plugs, but we're gonna wait for the new coil packs to come in to change those. And yeah. Some maintenances, man. Turbo timer. Okay, let's look at this bitch.
Okay, what are we doing first?
Is there power steering fluid in this bitch? It's friggin' topped up, buddy. Well, the fuel filter's super easy. Look at how accessible it is, man. That's like a 1 second job.
Nice, man.
Let's look at the new one. See if it's the right one. Look at that, dude. Minkter than a sphincter, that's for sure. I think it's just a Phillips. A Felipe's. Oh, it reeks of fuel, man. I was thinking, man, for the inspection, since the radiator... Okay, so the radiator leaks on this bitch. Can't find a used radiator anywhere. And it needs to pass the inspection, and the inspector is going to see the leaking radiator. Because right now it's full of coolant, because here in Victoria, BC, we don't use coolant, we just use water, because it never gets that cold. But in Alberta, where it came from, it gets colder than a dick, so there's actual coolant in this. So I'm thinking, we drain the coolant, fill it with water, we get it inspected on a day where it's raining. See what I'm getting at here?
Yeah, but water is like thinner than coolant, so it'll run through the crack more.
I don't care. Hopefully this is the fuel filter. Just saw him doing.
Give her the beans, man! Give us some sauce, man. Walk with the dog in there.
I gotta get used to it. Where are you going? What? You guys don't want to put it in the shop? Look at this setup. We found these ramps. Yeah, because this is like... Because I like open the hood and I'm like, it reeks like gas. Yeah. And it's just pouring out of the line that goes from the hard line to the fuel filter. I'm sure you don't want to put it in the shop. Alright, so this was the line that goes from the hard line into the fuel filter, and it was leaking like a mother bitch. When I popped the hood, I smelled gas, and then realized that this hose is all like cracked and dry rotted. Like, look at this, man.
Yeah, no doubt, hey?
So we're gonna replace all the soft lines going to the fuel filter. Noah had some line. Oh yeah, it's the same diameter, so the hose comes.
Yeah, it's
Noah had
fine.
some extra line, so we'll toss that on. I won't reimburse him for it because
It's alright.
buddy owes me his life anyway. But yeah, the gas that came out of the fuel filter was like brown, which is fair because it has been sitting for 2 years before I purchased. So. Pennywise Georgie! Oh, fuck, man. Underestimate my own power. Calm it down, man. Go the fuck out of here. Here's the line, Wazowski. Alright, got the fresh line. Got a circuit to size. I figure. Alright, we're gonna try to circuit with these. These are duller than Noah. Oh, it's sharp, man. Alright, first line circ. Shut up, man. Man, we're making so much goddamn progress, I can't even handle it. You can have this line back.
Thanks. You took a lot of it.
Okay. One end of this, you wanna swing, shut up, man. You put one end of the circumciser on there. Slide a cigarette snacker on. For cigarette sakes. Cigarette snakes. Put that on there. You give her a torque to the proper specs. With your chode screwdriver. Has to be a chode screwdriver. Alrighty then.
Did you get it fucking schmounted or what?
Nope. I gotta put the top line in now.
For fuck's sake, man.
Fuck's sake.
What the hell was that?
Hey now. Jason?
The camera speaks, man.
Wait.
It's like 2001: A Space Odyssey, man.
Actually though, that bitch is gonna take. We're gonna be wrenching one day, and she's like, "What happens in 2001: Space Odyssey?" She just starts fucking shit up, eh? What? Come out here and talk shit. It's easy behind the camera, isn't it? Lost about a double of fuel when I pulled the old filter off, man. Alright, gonna drain the oil now. Great time. Used to be a lube tech. Don't worry about it. You like the cheeks, man?
No, no doubt.
Take a look at that oil color, man. So dirty.
What?
Why is there barely any oil in this, man? Alright, we got this quality oil filter. Look at that, quality oil filter, air filter. Same shit, I guess. Got some JDM writing on here. You already know Partmaster Ben's hooking it up. Alright, we did a quick crappy tire run because that oil filter was the wrong one. Partsmaster Ben failed us. But now we got the right one on there. It's time to put some oil in. We don't have a funnel because that's not the budget. How much oil is this bitch takes?
Just under
3.40.
Just under 3.5 quarts.
Alright. I don't know if this is the right oil. Ben ordered it. Funnel's not in the budget.
That thing is a built-in funnel, man.
Funnels are for pussies anyway. Oh, fuck. Alright, we got the oil in. The new filter on. We're going to move it down there. And then we're going to pressure wash some of the engine. Got some gunk spray. Where's the gunk, man? Yeah, because this thing's caked in oil and shit. And there's an oil leak, but we have no idea where it is.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Do it, man. Check the oil levels. They're fucking minky. We're going to spray just like the head down with some gunk engine degreaser.
Dude, spray the strut towers too.
Oh, it's getting close to some electronics. It's already taken that shit off, man.
Wanna put the more aggressive one on? Give us an update, man.
Alright, we gave her a chooch. Put the intake back on. We had the intake hole clogged with the boost tester.
It's
I'm gonna go
looking.
get the
It looks the exact same on camera. You can't even tell.
Yeah, but the block isn't caked in like an inch of oil now.
Well, right on, hey.
All right, we did some fucking maintenance. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Got some grease off the. Took like fucking 25 years of grease off the block there. Chip off the old block.
Pretty boring one today, hey buddy.
Yeah, it's a pretty shit video, man. We freaking skidooed some of the grease off the old engines there. So far there's no oil leak showing. I think that was just like old shit that was just sitting on there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Did an
man.
oil change?
We did.
Fuel filter?
Waiting on new coil packs.
Waiting on the new
And
coil
we'll
packs.
chuck the new spark plugs in with those.
Yeah, we got the new.
Hopefully it runs a little bit better after that.
Yeah, it's still not running great. It's running better though. We got 4 new spark plugs here. The NGK BKR6EIX, which we were told to run, is the best for SRs apparently. From a source we trust, Platform Garage. But yeah.
Nice, man. Like, share,
Stay
subscribe.
tuned. Stay tuned for that shit.
Stay tuned for more, man.
Stay tuned for more. Wait, you didn't put the front new lights on.
Fuck it. Skidoo, man.
Skidoo.